Opening the Vieunite box, you'll be greeted with "Welcome to the Vieunite community." It's just a nice little introduction from us. From here you'll have the mounting accessories and the QR code, the instructions in one package, shown here, and the QR code for the user manual. And the other is what you'll be fitting on the wall to actually mount the canvas. Underneath this, you'll have the canvas itself, just lifting this up. Frame attached to the canvas. To show the canvas, this is what you'll get in the box. Underneath the canvas is the accessory kit, just slotted underneath, as you can see here. Opening this up, you'll be greeted with many different accessories. For instance, the power cable with different head sockets for different countries. For instance, the EU socket and the UK socket. These can fit on to the power brick itself. You'll also have stickers, just so you can put the mounting aspects onto the wall, makes life a bit easier. And the spirit level. Finally, the wall plugs and the screws to actually mount it on the wall.